Maximize your marketing by combined power of make-ready cleaning, staging, and merchandising. While most sellers stop at a basic cleaning, the magic that captures hearts in real estate photography for the MLS and drives in-person showings happens with staging and merchandising. I've learned that staging isn't just about what's in a room, it's about how items are placed to lead the eye. Nothing makes my heart flutter with joy or overshoot the property more than good staging. Having worked with realtors, stagers, designers, and builders across the state of Texas, I've learned a few things. I'm sharing them here with the hopes that you can use this process to get the interior of your home showing its best during the marketing phase. The make-ready. The new home. Feel. A make-ready is more impactful for in-person showings, where the look and smell of a home leave the biggest impression. This isn't just a quick vacuum. It's a deep, detailed clean and a screwdriver repair session. The goal? To signal that the home has been meticulously maintained, preventing concerns about hidden maintenance issues. The focus? Scrubbing floors, doors, baseboards, cabinets, and tile grout, cleaning inside the oven, and ensuring windows are crystal clear. This step includes removing old nails from walls, caulking the tub, and fixing loose drawer pulls. The result? A home that feels reset, giving buyers the peace of mind that comes with a move-in ready property. Staging is critical for both the online hook for your targeted buyer online and the in-person yes. Your online photos establish expectations, answering the buyer's big question, will this home work for me? The staging says yes. The goal? Define the purpose of every room and maximize the floor plan. A thoughtful layout creates natural pathways that move the buyer through the home without blocking doors or windows. The focus. Swapping a dated sofa for a modern piece, neutralizing bold accent walls and arranging furniture to create flow. The result? You're branding the lifestyle, telling the buyer exactly who lives here, a sophisticated urban professional or a serene family, and helping them visualize their own life in the space. Merchandising, the final edit, the zero clutter rule. In a perfectly merchandised home, no one has hay fever, the house is self-cleaning, and the owner has nothing to do but sip coffee while looking out at the yard. Hide the trash can and tissue. The goal? To remove visual noise and replace it with aspirational vignettes. The focus? We hide the reminders of chores, trash cans, paper towels, refrigerator magnets, and toothbrushes. We also remove faux plants, trophy mounts, and pet gear. Adding freshly laundered towels, fresh flowers, and a scene, a bottle of wine and 2 glasses on the counter. The result? The evidence of daily life is gone, leaving a magazine-ready product that looks flawless in my lens and in person. By moving through these 3 steps, you walk a buyer from "this is a clean house, make ready," to "I can see myself living here." Staging, to "I must have this lifestyle," merchandising. Thanks for watching this video. MLS Images. Our image is your brand.